Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know, whenever anyone asks me about my success with The Office, I always say it was a team effort. And that's what we're talking about today, teamwork. But in the world of scriptwriting, can a computer really capture the awkward pauses of Jim Halpert or the pure chaos of a Dwight Schrute moment? Today we're exploring the strengths and limitations of AI and human writers. So grab your coffee, settle in, and let's get started. Okay, so picture this. You're staring at a blank page, the dreaded writer's block is setting in, and the deadline is, well, looming. Now, imagine a world where you have a writing partner who can churn out pages of dialogue, plot points, you name it, in a matter of minutes. That's the promise of AI in scriptwriting. It's like having a superpowered intern who's really good at following directions, but maybe hasn't quite grasped the whole human experience thing yet. Need a classic rom-com plot? Boom, AI's got you covered. But when it comes to the heart of a script, the things that make you laugh, cry, or call your mum after an episode, that's where humans come in. One of the biggest advantages AI has is speed. We're talking lightning-fast brainstorming and drafting. Need 10 different log lines for a movie about a talking dog? AI can probably give you 20 in the time it takes me to make a cup of tea. AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can help writers structure their ideas, generate dialogue, and even come up with plot twists. Think of it like this. AI can build you the framework, the scaffolding of your story. But here's the thing. AI is really good at following instructions and patterns. It might give you a perfectly structured rom-com script, but it might not have that spark, that originality that makes a story truly special. When it comes to pushing boundaries and crafting something truly unique, well, that's where we humans have the edge. Now, let's talk about structure. Every story needs a good structure, right? It's like the skeleton that holds everything together. And AI? Well, AI eats structure for breakfast. It can analyze countless scripts, identify common patterns, and then use that knowledge to help you structure your own story. Need a classic 3-act structure? AI can map it out for you. Want to follow the hero's journey? AI knows that path like the back of its digital hand. This can be incredibly helpful, especially for genres with strict conventions like your classic rom-coms or action flicks. But sometimes those formulas can feel a little, well, formulaic. We crave originality, those unexpected twists and turns that keep us on the edge of our seats. Chapter 4. The Consistency King or Queen. Ever binge-watch a show and notice how a character seems to change their personality from one episode to the next? It's jarring, right? It can pull you out of the story and make you question the believability of the entire series. Consistency is key to maintaining the audience's trust and engagement. Well, AI can help with that. It's not just a tool for automation, it's a powerful ally in storytelling. It's incredibly good at maintaining consistency, whether it's in a character's voice, the tone of a script, or even the overall style of a series. Imagine having a digital assistant that ensures every line of dialogue sounds like it came from the same character, no matter who wrote it. This is especially useful for projects with multiple writers. When different people are contributing to the same story, maintaining a unified voice can be challenging. AI can act as a sort of style guide guardian, making sure everyone is on the same page. It can flag inconsistencies and suggest changes to keep the narrative cohesive. But consistency is only one part of the equation. It's the foundation, but not the whole structure. Yes, we want our characters to be believable and true to themselves, but we also want them to grow and evolve. A static character can become boring and predictable. And that kind of nuanced character development often requires a deep understanding of human emotions, motivations, and the messy realities of life. AI can assist, but the human touch is irreplaceable in capturing the essence of what makes us truly human. Chapter 5. The Grammar Police, but in a good way. You spend hours crafting the perfect scene, meticulously choosing each word and phrase. You pour your heart and soul into it, hoping to convey the exact emotion you feel. And then, in a moment of horror, you realize you used a comma where a semicolon should have been. It's a small mistake, but it feels monumental. But here's the good news. AI can help. These tools are like having a vigilant assistant by your side. There are some fantastic AI tools out there, like Grammarly or ProWriting Aid, designed to catch those errors before anyone else does. These tools can help polish your script to a shine. ensuring your writing is as clear and effective as possible. Think of AI as your very own meticulous editor, always on the lookout for those pesky mistakes. It catches those typos, grammatical errors, and even suggests improvements to sentence structure and pacing. It's like having a second set of eyes on your work, providing invaluable feedback. And trust me, a fresh perspective can make all the difference, turning good writing into great writing. But while AI can help with the technical aspects of writing, it's important to remember that language is more than just a set of rules. It's about rhythm, flow, and using words to evoke emotions and create a specific mood. AI can guide you, but the heart of your writing comes from you. It's your unique voice that brings your story to life. So embrace the help of AI, but never forget the power of your own creativity and passion. Chapter 6, The Human Touch, Why We Still Need Storytellers. All right, we've talked a lot about what AI can do, and it's impressive, right? But now let's talk about what makes us human, what makes us connect with stories on a deeper level. Creativity, originality, that spark of something new, that's where humans truly shine. We're not just algorithms processing data. We're messy, emotional beings with a lifetime of experiences to draw from. We understand irony, subtext, those little nuances that make a story sing. Think about your favorite movie or book. It probably made you feel something, right? It made you laugh, cry, or maybe even want to call your mum. AI can learn patterns, it can mimic styles, but it can't replicate the depth and complexity of the human experience. Chapter 7. Emotional intelligence, the heart of the matter. Let's talk about feelings, shall we? Scriptwriting, at its core, is about connecting with an audience on an emotional level. It's about making them feel something. And that, my friends, is where human writers have a distinct advantage. We're wired for empathy, for understanding and relating to the emotions of others. We can draw on those experiences to create characters that feel real, flawed, and utterly human. AI, on the other hand, can struggle with emotional nuance. It can recognize patterns in data, but it can't truly understand the messy, often contradictory nature of human emotions. So while AI can help with the technical aspects of scriptwriting, it's the human heart, the ability to infuse a story with genuine emotion that truly captivates an audience. Chapter 8. The power of collaboration, AI and humans, best friends forever. Okay, so we've talked about the strengths and limitations of both AI and human writers. Each brings something unique to the table, and understanding these differences is crucial for effective collaboration. Now let's talk about the future, a future where AI and humans work together, combining their strengths to create something truly special. This partnership can lead to innovations we haven't even imagined yet. Imagine a world where AI helps writers overcome writer's block, generates endless ideas, and takes care of the more technical aspects of scriptwriting like formatting and structure. This would free up human writers to focus on the creative aspects of storytelling. Meanwhile, human writers can focus on what they do best, crafting compelling characters, exploring complex themes, and infusing stories with heart, humor, and emotional depth. This synergy can lead to richer, more nuanced narratives. It's not about AI replacing human writers. It's about AI augmenting human creativity. By handling repetitive tasks, AI allows human writers to push the boundaries of their imagination. Think of it like this. AI can be the paintbrush, but the human writer is the artist. The paintbrush is a tool that can create beautiful art, but it needs the vision and skill of the artist to bring a masterpiece to life. This kind of collaboration has the potential to revolutionize scriptwriting, leading to more diverse stories, innovative formats, and a whole new level of emotional engagement. The future of storytelling is bright, and it's a future where AI and humans can truly be best friends forever. Chapter 9. The Future of Storytelling, a Human-AI Partnership. So, what does the future hold for scriptwriting? Well, I think it's going to be a wild ride full of exciting possibilities. AI is here to stay, and it's only going to get more sophisticated. But here's the thing. No matter how advanced AI becomes, I believe that human creativity will always be at the heart of great storytelling. We're natural storytellers, hardwired to connect with each other through shared experiences. And while AI can help us tell those stories more efficiently, more effectively, It's the human touch that will always make the difference. So embrace the future, my friends. Embrace the possibilities that AI offers, but never forget the power of your own unique voice. Outro: the human element, why it still matters. So, can AI write better scripts than humans? Not quite yet. Sure, it can crank out a structurally sound script faster than you can say action, but it still lacks that human touch, that emotional depth that makes a story truly great. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. And hey, let me know in the comments what you think about AI in script writing. Is it the future? Is it a threat? Or is it just a really cool tool? Let's discuss.